Hello y'all, welcome y'all back to my channel. Once again, this is DJ Mahaneet and another day of driving today. We're heading to Chikkamagur's famous Baba Budrigiri and Mulangiri. So if you're new to my channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, also hit the bell icon to get all the latest updates of all my videos. Stay tuned as we raid the mountains today. You might have seen the drone shots as I record this. It's the time right now, it's 6:30 in the evening and I'm just exploring the mountains. So stay tuned people as we explore more of this. Social media, my Instagram handle is Djmahaneet and my Facebook fan page also is Djmahaneet. Cheers from the land of coffee. This is Chikkamanagalur. Always stay curious, stay happy, and just give the big smile. Life is all short. Always got to stay happy. It's like 7:30 in the evening, and we checked into the Chikkamagalur Golf Club. I'll take a tour of this in the morning. Stay tuned. Good morning, welcome you all back to my channel once again. Welcome to Chikkamagalu. Right now we are in this beautiful enclave of Chikkamagalur Golf Club. Here's a glimpse of the drone shots. I'll also walk you through the beautiful landscapes of this Chikkamagalur Golf Club. Take a look at this. wasn't that fantastic. Well, here's a property tour. Take a look at this. So I'll just show you where we're staying in our room, the cottage. This is the main clubhouse here right in the back, and that's where we have our MG put up for charge. So as you might have seen, we've been traveling on this electric MG ZSEV. That's the driveway right there behind, and that's the car. So here is the room. Well, what a view from our room. That's the whole golf course. Hope you're liking this entire vlog of mine here of Chikkamanagalur. If you do so, give me a thumbs up. Also, stay tuned for more such videos. The Taj Chikkamagalu. This is the gateway right now. The property is rebranded to Gateway, and they have a charge point. So if you are wanting to know how it works, they have paid charge points across the state, and as we are driving the EV vehicle, this is the MG ZSEV, so we have to look for charge points through the app, and this is Tata Power. This is the electric charge point of Tata's, and you pay about 150 to 100 rupees for a half charge. It depends on how many kV. This is 50 kV load. So that's the MG we're driving. It gives about 400 plus range for a full charge. Stay tuned. Kudremukha grasslands. Hope you're liking this header log of mine traveling across Western Ghats. I'm going to end the log here. Hope you like this whole series. I couldn't get a drone shot as I gave my Mavic Air 2S to somebody, and I'm hoping to get a Mavic 3 very soon. So stay tuned for better drone shots coming up. So in the meantime, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Also hit the bell icon to get all the latest updates of all my videos. And also follow me on social media. My Instagram handle is Djmahaneet. My Facebook fan page also is Djmahaneet. From the grasslands of Kudremukha, this is Djmahaneet.